Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to make sense of all the corporate mumbo jumbo, and sometimes that leaves us with a bit of a surprise ending. Today we are looking at a current report from the GEO Group Incorporated that might make you wonder about the future of the company's top legal minds. So what is the big news from this particular filing? It is not about a big financial boom or bust, not today anyway. Instead, it centers around a key departure within the company's leadership. Someone who has been a vital part of their legal operations is stepping down. This is an 8K filing, a document that companies file with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, often to announce big news that investors need to know about immediately. The big event happened on December 4th, 2025, a date to mark for anyone following the company closely. This report is all about what happened on that day and what it means going forward. Our main company here is the GEO Group Incorporated. You might know them, they are involved in a few different types of business from what we can gather from their public filings. It is interesting to see where they are incorporated a common piece of information. For any company filing these reports, it's Florida in this case. And their main headquarters are located in Boca Raton, Florida. Not a major detail for the story, but good to know where these decisions are being made. Their stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol GEO. So if you own shares or are thinking about it, this is the kind of news that can impact that. They are not considered an emerging growth company, which means they are pretty established in the corporate world. Now let's get to the heart of this filing, the other events section. This is where the real story unfolds. The major news here is that Joe Negron, who holds the very important titles of Senior Vice President Legal Services, General Counsel, and Corporate Secretary, has decided to retire. This is effective at the end of December 2025, an end to a significant chapter for him and likely for the company's legal department. Mr. Negron has been a key player serving as GEO's General Counsel and Corporate Secretary since 2019. That means he has been steering the legal ship for quite some time, guiding the company through complex issues. But here is a twist that is pretty common with high-level executives. He is not disappearing completely. After his retirement, he'll continue to help out as a consultant for a full 2 years starting the 1st of January 2026. This means he'll be there to advise on legal, regulatory, and compliance matters. This is a smart move for the company as it ensures a smooth transition and keeps his valuable knowledge within reach. It also suggests that the legal and regulatory landscape for GEO Group is still quite intricate. Now for the financial perks for Mr. Negron, his outstanding equity awards from 2023 and 2024, which are tied to performance, are still going to vest if the performance targets are met. This is quite standard for executive compensation packages, ensuring that even in retirement there is incentive tied to the company's ongoing success. The compensation committee will be the ones to certify that these performance goals have been achieved. It signals that the company recognizes his contributions and wants to maintain some continuity and loyalty even as he shifts to a consulting role. So what is our take on this? This is a significant leadership change at the top legal level of the GEO Group. While the company is thanking Mr. Negron for his service and setting him up as a consultant, this departure signals a new era in their legal strategy. The fact that he was instrumental since 2019 means he has deep institutional knowledge of the company's operations and any legal challenges it has faced. The signing date of this report, December 8th, 2025, indicates that this announcement was made shortly after Mr. Negron provided his notice. Looking at the bigger picture, the GEO Group operates in a sector that is often under intense legal and regulatory scrutiny. Having a seasoned general counsel is crucial. His continued advisory role suggests that the company anticipates ongoing complexities and wants to leverage his expertise. We don't have direct financial tables to dissect in this particular filing, as the focus is purely on this executive event. However, this kind of announcement can indirectly affect investor confidence. The market likes stability and predictability, especially in legal and compliance matters. The strength here is the smooth transition plan with the consulting arrangement. The potential weakness could be the loss of his day-to-day leadership and the question of who will step into those shoes on a permanent basis. The opportunity lies in bringing fresh perspectives to the legal department while retaining Mr. Negron's invaluable institutional memory. The risk is always that a new leadership might face unforeseen challenges or that the transition may not be as seamless as planned. Ultimately, this 8K filing is a clear indicator of a significant leadership shift within the GEO Group's legal structure. While the company is putting a positive spin on it with the consulting role, it is a change that warrants attention from investors and anyone keen on understanding the company's long-term strategy and stability. Alright, that is our breakdown of this GEO Group filing. What is your take on executive retirements and consulting roles? Do you see them as a sign of strength or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more corporate insights. Don't forget to check out our Discord community, linked in the description below for more discussions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.